I'm speaking with Gregg Miller, Sales and Marketing Manager at Vaniman Manufacturing, about some of the products and services that Vaniman Manufacturing offers. Why is your sandblaster less expensive than the competition?
We originally developed our line of microabrasive sandblasters for the dental laboratory market that wanted a unit small enough to be placed on a standard work surface, was easy to operate for non-technical personnel, and easy to maintain because most labs don't have equipment repair personnel on staff. And they also wanted a cost point between $700 and $1,000. All of our microabrasive sandblasters use the same blasting system regardless of the size of the cabinet used. The blasting system does not require routine preventative maintenance and parts replacement. And when parts do wear out, they are inexpensive and easy to replace by non-technical personnel. We also find that the microblasting applications in high-tech industries are for surface preparation or deburring, which do not require additional features the more expensive microblasters offer. A complete micro sandblasting system from Vaniman, including the dust collector, will be about a third of the cost of our competitors' complete system.
You offer several different models of microabrasive blasters. What uses are they each best suited for, and how do you work with clients to determine which is best for them?
All of our microabrasive blasters utilize the same blasting system regardless of the size of the blasting cabinet. We offer an instant off feature on two of our blaster models and a electrostatic discharge version on our ProBlast 3 for work with sensitive electronics. To find out which of our models will be best applicable to the customer's needs, we ask them very simply, what are you going to blast? We like to find out the material the part is made of, its size, and whether the blasting will be for large quantities of these parts on a daily basis or a few parts on a random basis. The answers to these questions drive the size of the cabinet and the number of abrasive tanks included. Once the physical size of the work cabinet is determined, we then get into the finer points of the blasting process, and this can be questions like, is the blasting for surface preparation or deburring? Can there be some or no dimensional change in the part after blasting? If the parts are for their customer, does the customer spell out a particular type and size of abrasive to be used or one that can't be used? Once we have this information, we can suggest the size and tank configuration of the blaster and which abrasive will be most appropriate for their specific application.
What advantages do your dust collectors offer, and which industries are your various models effective for?
Our dust collectors are small, quiet, and generate high suction at the dust and debris capture point. We offer models from 1 to 6 workstations for any type of dust and debris, including sandblasting abrasives. Because our dust collectors are small and quiet, customers find it easy to incorporate them into existing work areas and in some cases into automated processing equipment to protect sensitive components from harmful dust. The accumulator pre-filter, our small cyclone separator, adds to the efficiency and uniqueness of our dust collection products. It collects up to 85% of very fine dust and close to 100% of heavier dust and debris. It is particularly effective in collecting precious metal during the grinding and polishing process. Our dust collectors are used in many industries including aerospace, precision machining, biomedical device manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, electronics, jewelry manufacturing, food processing, dental laboratories, and many others.
Gregg, thanks so much for speaking with us today. That was extremely informative. For more information on Vaniman Manufacturing, you can visit their website at www.vaniman.com.